into the next phase of your press up challenge. This is a whole month, isn't it, of us increasing this press up challenge from time to time. So our next period of days is a 7-day period, and now we're doing something much more like what you might associate with press ups. This time, since last time, I've got 2 different exercises for you to do. We're going to do 3 of one and 6 of another, and you're going to go through it twice, okay? And I'm going to go through the first exercise, the one where you're only going to do 3 reps, and show you how to do that. And then I'll show you the second one afterwards, because the second one is much easier. So, today, for the first time ever, you're going to be down on your front, on your hands, and we're not in a kneeling position, we're in a full press-up position, but we're only going to go down, we're not going to go up. Okay, so this is what I'd like you to do. We're going to start by coming onto the floor, and you're going to set up in the same way as I asked you to do on the wall. So I've come onto the floor. Take your arms out in front of you and drag them back so that your thumbs are once again roughly nipple level. Elbows not stuck out to the sides, they're tucked in. And then from there, tuck your toes under and come up into your full plank position. So remember, only 3 times. Now what we're going to do here is lower down as slowly as you can till you get to the point where you can't go any further, and then you flop, just like that, okay? Tuck yourself in, don't move your hands, notice I've just come up into that same position again. And then do it again. So you take a deep breath in, and you breathe out. Flop. And then do it one more time. So you're going to do 3 of those, only 3, and they're tough, they're really quite tough. Once you've done 3, you're going to do the other end of the press up. So a press up is coming down and pushing up, but rather than pushing up your body weight, now you're going to push up a weight of some description. So I've got 2 hand weights here. I'm lying down on my back, I've got the weights at my chest, my elbows in, and I'm going to take a deep breath in, and I'm going to push the weights up. And I'm going to do 6 of these push-ups. Now, you can use whatever weights you've got, but really you want the heaviest thing that you can find in your house that's safe for you to lift. So I've got here what's called a Dynaband. So these are quite good. So you can put the Dynaband behind your back and then hold it with your hands and then use the Dynaband as resistance here. So you can vary around with a dog, a small child, a husband, a pumpkin, a sandbag, anything that you've got, because you can use one thing with 2 hands, and push it up and down 6 times, and then go back to your 3 lowering down press-ups, and do it twice. So 3 press downs if you like, 6 pushes up, 3 down, and 6 up. And perhaps over the next 7 days you can increase the weight that you're pushing above your head. So maybe start with tin cans or something, whatever you can find in your house, and then gradually become a little bit more inquisitive. Oh, I wonder if I can lift that, I wonder if I can lift that. So there you are, there's our next phase. I will write that all out for you so you can copy it, and I will look forward to hearing how it goes for you, and possibly send in a couple of videos if you like of your downs, because they're the ones to share, because they're tough. But you've come a long way this far. See you soon. Bye.